Here you go, my activity before a few hours before our flight going to Boston because we're going for cruise ship from Boston to Bermuda for a week. So I'm doing the coloring of my nail, what I did to get this beautiful color. It's not finished yet. I have to put it again on my machine. That color become pomelo or red orange because I mix the color of red and orange. So I mix together because my red color is almost dried up or gone, finished, and these two base coat and top coat. This one is regular but I don't use this anymore. And this one is UV nail as well, and this is the UV nail. It's 6 pieces, but my favorite is the red one, and I almost finished the red one, so I have to mix the red and the orange to get the color like this. This is my left at finish it, and this is the right side of my hand. So I have to nail file after doing the drying on the machine. I have to do nail file. I did only on my hands because it takes long time. Then if you're gonna go to the the pedicure or manicure spa, it takes like only 30 minutes, but since I'm doing it to myself, it's 1 hour and a half already. I almost done. So yeah, let's see. And I have to use the nail file. I have using here nail file. When you nail file, I'm using the rough nail file for the unclean nails, and this one for the finish UV nail. I'm gonna use it to make it smooth on the side. So I'm gonna use it right now. See guys, I finished my beautiful nails. Look at that, diba? Ang ganda. Oh, it's become pomelo color. So I always use the red color, pure red, but since I want to be different from others, the color of my nails, so I use this. Look at that guys. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Ready for cruise ship, my nails. So it's only like 3 hours before we go to the airport. So see that? So I save money to going to the nail spa because in the nail spa it's only 30 minutes. But since I'm doing it to myself, it's like 1 hour and a half. It takes more time when you're doing it to yourself. I have all my materials here at home, so why not saving money instead of paying expensive? So I'm just gonna do it. I did only on my fingers because my two nails still have half of it color from 2 months ago. Two nails, it takes a long time before it's gone. But nail like this, it's only 3 weeks to 1 month. It's gonna be done because it's faster the growing of the fingernails compared to the two nails. Diba? Ready for cruise ship. Yay! We're leaving later in few hours, going to Boston, then Boston to Bermuda for cruise ship.